let us suppose we are having a few line of codes, and when we run it we get a figure something like this. And when we click on save as to save this figure, just click on JPEG, and when we save it, let's rename it as circle. Okay, and when we do this, we see that the circle that we have got is the file size only 28 KB, and we want to increase the file size so that we can have a better resolution. When we zoom it or we use it somewhere, then the lines do not blur out. Okay, so for doing that, we go to MATLAB figure, and again we click on files, and after clicking on files we go to export setup. When we do rendering, and after rendering we click on resolution, and there we get 150 dpi, 300 dpi, 600 dpi. Let's assume we are clicking on 600 dpi. Okay, after that we click on apply to figure. It has been applied. Now click on export, and where let's save it as circle 2. We will get several types of formats here, but we are again saving it in JPEG format. And now when we click on save, it will take some time, but it will come here. Now we see that it's 355 KB, which was earlier at 28 KB. And when we see the resolution, let me open that again, this one there. Okay, now you see that there is a better resolution to this picture as compared to the previous one, which is here. Okay, now if we require a more higher resolution, then what we do? Suppose we need 1000 dpi. Okay, so again we need to apply that to the figure, and again export it, and again save, and do the same process. Let's rename it to circle 3. Okay, now wait for some time, it will come here. You can see that the earlier, when it was on 600 dpi, the file size was 355 KB, and now it has come to 800 KB. And in this way you can do to any figure that you like to a better and higher resolution, so that it will not blur out when you are using it to any project.